Here is a lady riding a motorcycle. I don't know where she works. She looks to be a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Really? Where?
NYAMIGISA Boys Primary School.
How old is that school?
Over 100 years.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It was started with the parish?
No,
Hey.
the parish started earlier. There's
1911.
1911.
And the school started when?
Should be 1916.
Really? How long have you rode the motorcycle?
20 years.
20 years?
20 years.
And you don't...
I started with a bicycle. From a bicycle, I came to a Honda. From Honda, I came to Chima.
Don't you fear the road?
I don't.
I'm used. You are used? So where do you stay?
I stayed in Vigere.
Where?
Vigere.
Here in Masindi?
Masindi.
Really?
Something like 4 miles away.
And your name?
Yaruhanga Beatrice.
A teacher?
A head teacher. NYAMIGISA Boys Primary School.
You are the head teacher?
I'm the head teacher.
Oh my God.
At the same time a catechist.
Oh Bambi, that is good. Well done.
Thank you.
You are the head teacher of that school?
Of that school. How the parish.
How many pupils do you have?
We have 300.
Oh, that's
boys only.
Only? No girls?
No girls.
You don't like girls?
School.
How come it's not headed by a man since they are boys?
God's grace.
Hey. For how long have you been a head teacher?
I started last year in July.
Bambi. Okay, God bless you for your work. Maybe I can watch you riding the motorcycle.
You want to watch me?
So this is the head teacher of NYAMIGISA Boys Primary School riding a motorcycle. Can you imagine?
School for boys only.
And there is the home of the late Bishop Dr. Edward Baharagate. This is what brought me here, as we remember him marking 1 year dead. So there is the lady, a great lady, a head teacher, riding a motorcycle to go home. Really? That is great. Wenjogerera wano basaba ne banyabo Wendy, Sacred Heart of Jesus, NYAMIGISA Catholic Parish, Masindi. Wendy. Yes, NYAMIGISA Sacred Heart NYAMIGISA Catholic Parish Masindi. Era nga nzize eka ezaalibwa Bishop Dr. Edward Baharagate kati awezezza omwaka nga atufuddeko.